Is your cable box refusing to turn on after a power outage or a storm? Don't worry, because we are going to jumpstart your hardware and get your channels back right now. Welcome back to TechVibes. When the power kicks back on, it often sends a small surge that trips the internal safety sensors, or freezes the boot software in its tracks. Let's get your box out of standby mode with these 10 advanced hardware solutions. Step 1. Perform a deep power discharge. Unplug the power cord from the back of the cable box and the wall outlet. Wait for a full 2 minutes. While it is unplugged, hold the physical power button on the front of the box for 30 seconds to drain every bit of residual electricity. Step 2. Bypass your surge protector. Power strips can often trip during an outage and fail to provide full voltage afterward. Plug your cable box directly into a wall outlet to ensure it is getting the maximum power it needs to boot. Step 3. Check the power brick light. If your cable box uses an external power adapter, look for a small green or blue LED on the brick. If that light is off or flickering, the outage likely fried the adapter, and you simply need a replacement cord. Step 4. The front panel reset. Hold the physical power button on the box for 10 full seconds. On many modern boxes, this triggers a hardware-level override that bypasses the standard software boot sequence. Step 5. Reseat the internal smart card. If your box has a plastic authorization card, pull it out and wipe the gold chip with a soft cloth. Reinsert it firmly. Sometimes a power jolt glitches the card reader, preventing the box from turning on. Step 6. Disconnect the HDMI 2.1 cable. A surge can travel through the HDMI line and lock the port communication. Unplug the cable from both the box and the TV, then try to power the box on without any video cables attached. Step 7. Reset the coaxial connection. Unscrew the thick cable from the cable in port. If the center copper pin is slightly charred or bent from the outage, it can cause a short circuit. Clean it and screw it back in tightly. Step 8. Use the menu and power shortcut. Hold the menu and power buttons on the front panel simultaneously for 5 seconds. This often forces the box into a boot mode, which refreshes the firmware. Step 9. Inspect the wall outlet GFCI reset. If your TV is on but the box is dead, check if the wall outlet has a reset button. Power outages often trip these safety outlets, especially in older homes. Step 10. The remote to box sync check. Sometimes the box is actually on, but the outage desynced your remote. Press the physical channel up button on the box frame. If the display changes, your box is fine and you just need to repair your remote. Here is a pro tip for you. If your box is stuck on a checking for updates screen after the outage, your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi or cable signal might be weak. Unplug your router for 1 minute to refresh the local network handshake. If you are facing any difficulty getting your box to respond, drop a comment below. I will personally reply to your questions within 1 hour to help you out. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes for more expert tech fixes. Stay confident because your cable box will be back in action in no time.